New Year's Eve should be about celebrating, not spending hours in the kitchen. Today, I'm sharing some of the easiest New Year's desserts you can whip up in 30 minutes or less. They're simple, festive, and perfect for last-minute hosting or cozy celebrations at home. Let's get started. First up is a rich no-bake chocolate mousse that feels elegant but takes very little effort. You'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Start by melting the chocolate chips in the microwave, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. In a separate bowl, whip the heavy cream with the sugar and vanilla until soft peaks form. Gently fold the melted chocolate into the whipped cream until fully combined. Spoon the mousse into serving cups and refrigerate for at least 20 minutes before serving. Next are mini fruit tarts, a colorful and refreshing dessert. You'll need 1 package of pre-made tart shells, half a cup of vanilla pudding mix, 1 cup of milk, and assorted fresh fruit like berries, kiwi, or mango. Prepare the pudding using the mix and milk according to package directions. Once set, fill each tart shell with pudding and top with sliced fruit. Chill for 10 minutes, and they're ready to serve. For a sweet and salty treat, try chocolate-dipped pretzels. You'll need 2 cups of pretzel rods, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and optional sprinkles or crushed nuts. Melt the chocolate chips until smooth. Dip each pretzel rod into the chocolate, letting the excess drip off. Place on parchment paper, add toppings if desired, and refrigerate for 10 minutes until set. Now let's move on to quick cinnamon sugar churros, warm and comforting for New Year's Eve. You'll need 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of butter, 1 cup of flour, half a cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon, and oil for frying. Bring the water and butter to a boil. Add the flour and stir until a dough forms. Heat oil in a pan, pipe the dough into the hot oil, and fry until golden brown. Mix the sugar and cinnamon together, then roll the churros in the mixture while warm. Next up, don't miss this one, pudding parfaits. You'll need 2 cups of chocolate or vanilla pudding, 2 cups of whipped cream, and crushed cookies or fruit for layering. In clear cups, alternate layers of pudding, whipped cream, and cookies or fruit. Repeat until the cups are full, finishing with whipped cream on top. These can be made a few hours ahead and chilled until serving. For a lighter option, here's an easy fruit salad that comes together in minutes. You'll need 1 cup sliced strawberries, 1 cup blueberries, 1 cup diced pineapple, 1 cup sliced kiwi, and 1 tablespoon of honey, optional. Combine all the fruit in a large bowl. Drizzle with honey if desired, toss gently, and chill for 10 minutes before serving. With desserts this quick and simple, you'll spend less time cooking and more time celebrating. Mix and match your favorites, and create a dessert spread everyone will love. Be sure to check out this video